Hello and welcome to this very first episode of the workshop. This is a very hands-on tutorial style series. We will be discussing many topics, but our first topic is how to set up your own home network. Now, a lot of people, they'll just get a router from the ISP, they'll plug it in, they'll set it, and they'll forget it. So, it does your Wi-Fi, it gets you connected to the web, it works, whatever, that's fine. But this is going to be a step above that. So we're going to talk about your separating the switch from the router, separating the wireless from the router into their own individual units. We will be discussing how to run cables through the walls, plug them into a jack that just fits in the wall so it's nice and clean, when you should use wired versus wireless, what's the difference and drawbacks of both, what's the advantages of both. So this really will be an in-depth series, and it's going to be split up amongst many videos. So not any one video will be terribly too long and won't cover many topics. That way you can easily search it, and if you have to go back, you can find a video specific to the part you have questions on, making it much easier to go through this entire process, because it's not a small detail. We'll be discussing how to put holes in the wall, wire the wires. We'll be discussing which equipment to buy. So this isn't going to be something where you're going to want to do it, half-baked. You're going to want to actually put some effort into this. Particularly because, for instance, if you ever have to resell your house and it did not have wired Ethernet before, but then after you put it in, then it does, you can use that as a plus, a feature. Let's face it, when you go to college and you go to a dorm or something, you always see those in-wall jacks, and you can just plug it in. Hey, you think, hey, that's pretty cool. That's the feeling we hope you'll get after you're done. So stay tuned. Love these videos, and subscribe if you haven't already. So see you in the next episode. I'm Tyler for Tyler Tech Tips. Enjoy.